Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Hydro Flask Wine is probably one of the most stylish and practical ways to enjoy your favorite wines on the go. Whether you're picnicking in the park, camping under the stars, or simply relaxing in your backyard, this insulated wine bottle keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature for hours. Its sleek design and durable construction make it a must-have accessory for any wine lover who appreciates both quality and convenience. Number 5. Ideus 20-ounce Tumbler, stainless steel coffee mug. This Ideus tumbler utilizes advanced double-wall vacuum insulation. It can keep your drinks hot for up to 6 hours and cold for up to 12 hours. Enjoy your beverages at the perfect temperature. The tumbler is crafted from 18/8 stainless steel, ensuring it's rust-free and odorless. The lid is made of food-grade silicone, which is BPA-free and highly durable. This ensures your drinks are safe and healthy. This thermal cup is dishwasher safe and features a no-sweat design. The powder coating is tough and won't fade or crack. It's designed to withstand daily use while keeping your hands dry. With a 20-ounce capacity, this travel mug is perfect for home, office, or parties. The wide mouth makes it easy to add ice or fruit. It is convenient for effortless cleaning. The press-in lid features a silica gasket for maximum spill-proof capability. It has a sliding cover to prevent spills and helps to maintain the temperature of your drink. Please note it is not leak-proof. What we like? This tumbler features vacuum insulation, keeping your drinks at the perfect temperature for hours. The stylish and durable design ensures it can withstand daily use. If you are looking for a reliable and stylish travel mug for your daily commute or office use, this is a great choice. What people say. Hydro Flask Wine bottle keeps my wine at the perfect temperature for hours. The Hydro Flask Wine bottle is easy to clean. The Hydro Flask Wine bottle is durable and well-made. Number 4. Ideus 20-ounce Tumbler, Ocean Blue. Introducing the Ideus 20-ounce Tumbler. This travel coffee mug is perfect for keeping your drinks at the ideal temperature. Thanks to its double-wall vacuum insulation, it keeps drinks hot for up to 6 hours and cold for up to 12. It's made from 18/8 stainless steel. The tumbler is made with food-grade stainless steel, ensuring it's rust-free and odorless. The lid is BPA-free and made of food-grade silicone. This tumbler is dishwasher safe and features a no-sweat design. The powder coating is tough and won't fade or crack, even with extensive use. With a 20-ounce capacity, it's great for home, office, or parties. The wide mouth makes it easy to add ice or fruit and clean. The silica gasket lid helps prevent spills. It has a sliding cover to keep your drinks contained and maintain temperature, but it is not leak-proof. What we like? This tumbler also offers vacuum insulation, ensuring your beverages stay hot or cold for extended periods. The stylish and durable build makes it ideal for any adventure. If you like a travel mug with a pop of color and reliable performance, this one is perfect for you. What people say. Best traveler ever. I have had multiple people use them and ask for the link because it kept drinks so cold. We will leave our house at 4 a.m. to go on a hike, leave our mugs in the car with iced coffee, and come back in the afternoon and the ice is still solid. One time I parked with direct sun on the mug in the car and it was still cold when we got back. Number 3. Ideus Tumblers 30-ounce replacement lids. These lids are the foundation, but the rings are the perfect match. Click the brand to find the perfect rings to go with it. These lids are designed to fit Ideus, Hydro Flask, and many more. It's the perfect fit for your favorite tumblers. Imagine driving to work with your favorite drink. With this lid, there are no spills, just pure satisfaction. It is spill-proof and perfect for your on-the-go moments. Tired of stubborn mold? Easily remove the slider for thorough cleaning. Enjoy a refreshingly clean drinking experience every time with this design. Measure, fit, and forget spills. This 3.7-inch diameter lid is the perfect piece for your tumbler. It creates a secure seal, protecting your drink from unexpected spills. It's your spill guardian. What we like? This product focuses on spill-free sipping, perfect for those on the go. The removable slider design makes cleaning a breeze. If you are tired of spills and want a hassle-free drinking experience, this lid is a must-have for your tumbler. What people say. Fits perfectly. Gospy 14 ounces mug has amazing seal, and can remove and clean the slider, its pieces, and ring fairly easily. This lid has a very snug fit to the 30-ounce Yeti tumbler. The top slides to open and also has a stopper that goes over the hole to prevent leaks. No leaking occurs when the top is closed. Fit perfectly without leaks. Number 2. Hydro Flask 10-ounce wine glass, Trillium pink. This wine glass features a ceramic lining, ensuring a smooth and pure taste. It enhances your drinking experience by preventing any flavor transfer, allowing you to savor every sip. The closable press-in lid is designed to prevent splashes and maintain the temperature of your drink. It's also straw compatible, offering convenience and versatility for your enjoyment. With Temp Shield double wall vacuum insulation, it keeps your beverages at the perfect temperature for hours. Whether it's a chilled white wine or a refreshing drink, it ensures optimal enjoyment. Crafted from 18-8 pro-grade stainless steel, this glass is built for durability and pure taste. It's designed to withstand daily use while ensuring no flavor transfer, preserving the original taste of your drink. The Color Last powder coat provides a durable, sweat-free, and vibrant finish. It adds a touch of style while ensuring the glass remains comfortable to hold and visually appealing. What we like. This wine glass features a ceramic lining for a smooth flavor profile and Temp Shield insulation to maintain your drink's temperature. It is made with durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity. If you like a stylish and durable wine glass for outdoor events or picnics, this is a great option. What people say. I love the ceramic lining on the inside, which makes it perfect for washing and keeping clean. This cup keeps it hot for hours without any metallic taste. It's a small and mighty cup, just what I was looking for. Perfect wine tumbler. Perfect size, great cover, and the best unique feature is inside of cup is white ceramic which preserves the flavor of your wine. While I know these are intended to be for wine, I purchased one as a gift for a friend who loves drinking tea out on his patio. I wanted to get him something that would keep his drink warm and had a lid to protect it from stray insects, but also wouldn't get stained by the tea and be easy to clean. This was the perfect solution. As an added benefit, the ceramic lining means that he can have the occasional mixed drink in it without worrying about the taste leaching into the bottle. Number 1. Hydro Flask Wine Tumbler and Bottle. This tumbler and bottle can hold the same amount of wine as a standard 750 ml bottle. It's perfect for taking your favorite wine on the go, ensuring you have enough to share or enjoy yourself. The design ensures a drip-free experience, allowing you to enjoy the pure taste of your wine. You won't have to worry about spills or messes while you're enjoying your drink. It features a silicone base that provides extra grip on slippery surfaces. This helps prevent accidental spills and keeps your drink secure, no matter where you are. The leak-proof and insulated stainless steel cap keeps your wine secure and at the perfect temperature. This ensures that your wine stays fresh and delicious for hours. The Color Last powder coat is dishwasher safe, keeping the cup slip-free and colorful. This makes it easy to clean and maintain, while also adding a touch of style. The Temp Shield double wall vacuum insulation protects the temperature of your wine for hours. This means your wine will stay cold or at the perfect temperature, no matter the weather. Made with 18-8 pro-grade stainless steel, it ensures durability, a pure taste, and no flavor transfer. This means the taste of your wine will not be affected by the container. What we like. This product offers the capacity of a standard wine bottle, perfect for sharing. The pure pour design ensures a drip-free experience, and the leak-proof cap provides peace of mind. If you are looking for a convenient way to transport and enjoy your favorite wine, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This Hydro Flask wine bottle is the perfect size to hold the standard wine bottle size of liquid, 750 ml. And it does a very nice job of that. Chill your wine, you can also chill the Hydro Flask too, and it's going to stay cool for hours in this thing. This tumbler is in a wine bottle shape and has a screw-off lid. You don't have to put wine in it, but if you do it will fit quite a bit. We either put the wine or drink in the fridge or the tumbler itself in the freezer, and honestly your drink will probably go flat before the drink turns warm again. This flask does a great job keeping a bottle of wine cold for camping or a day at the beach. I will not bring glass anywhere near a pool or beach, so this lets me take a nice rose without the fear of breaking a bottle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.